positive. What so just know that positive times positive will give you positive. Negative times negative will give you positive. Okay? Then
Mm.
negative times positive will give you negative. And positive times negative will give you
Mhm.
negative. Okay? So these are typically the rules. Whenever you have multiplication of signs, positive times positive will always give you positive. Negative times negative will always give you
Okay.
positive. Okay? Then negative times positive
Hello?
will give you
Mm.
negative. Then positive times negative will give
Hello?
you negative. Okay? Um, so typically that is just it. And sometimes you have let me okay, you the same thing happens with
Mm.
okay. Division is still the same thing. When a negative divide negative half positive. When negative
Hello?
divides
Mo- Ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
okay.
Màá wọlé.
When negative divides positive, you have negative. When positive divides negative, you have negative. So one of the things that is beneficial for you here is
Kí
to
ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
just learn the positive side and the multiplication side. Just know that it's the same thing with the what
Màá ṣe tán màá.
division. Are you getting me? So hello, Chidire, can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you.
So most times, if you learn this part, you can easily do the division. They are just the same thing. So your focus should be here. Anytime a positive number multiplies a positive number, you have a positive value. Anytime a negative number multiplies a negative number, you have a positive number.
Okay. Mm.
Anytime a negative number multiplies a positive number, you have a negative number. Or a positive multiply a negative is always negative.
Amen.
That's just it. So uh, let's look at some couple of questions quickly. Let's say we have plus 3. Now, mind you that if you see plus 3, it's still the same thing as 3. Okay?
Yes.
Any normal number that you see like this is positive that does not have a sign. It's always what? Positive. Okay? So whether the sign is included or not, it is what? Positive. Okay?
Okay.
So we have something like this. Now, this is plus 3, which is 3. Now, this positive
Mm.
times positive, what do you have?
Positive is positive.
Positive, right? So that means you have 3 plus 2. Abi?
Yes.
That will give you what?
That will give us 5.
5. Okay. So that being said, let's look at another one. Um, plus 8 minus plus 3. Now, all you do here is division, is multiplication. Are you seeing it? My negative is
Mm.
multiplying this. So 8 negative times positive. What do you have?
Minus
Minus 3. So 8 minus 3. What do you have?
6.
Nope, nope, nope.
No, 5. 5.
5. Okay, and then you have this minus 12 plus minus 12 plus 7. So we go, this is minus 12, right?
Yeah.
Plus times plus, what do you have?
Plus times plus is plus.
Plus 7. So negative 12 plus 7, what do you have?
Negative.
I thought you went,
19.
you were
Negative
doing,
9.
no,
Negative 9.
no, that is not it. I thought you that during subtraction that negative there simply means you are owing. Huh? You're owing a number. Abi?
Mm-hmm.
So you're owing. Here you're owing 12 naira and you pay 7 naira. The positive means you're paying a certain amount.
Mm-hmm.
You're owing 12 naira and you're paying 7 naira. What will happen?
You minus.
Okay, so once you give the person 7 naira, what happened between two of you now?
You you minus.
Tell
To
me.
find how much is left for you to pay.
So how much is it left for me to pay?
Mm, 5. 5.
5. So
5
what's now be the sign? Am I still owing him?
minus. Yes, I still owe you minus 5.
5. So does that make sense?
Yes.
So you always try to interpret it like this. Negative means I'm owing. Positive means that I'm paying a certain amount. Okay. This plus belongs
Okay.
to 7. It does not belong to 12. Are you getting it? The sign belongs to the number after.
Mm.
Are you guessing it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that aside, let me look at another one. Minus 3 minus 2. Now you write your minus 3. Negative times negative. Negative times negative. From our chart above, what do you have?
Negative times
This negative times this negative, what do you have?
is plus.
So plus 2. So give me the answer from what I just taught you in interpreting
Minus 1.
minus 1. Exactly. Okay. All right. So let's look at one that might look very complex, but it's not complex. Do you have a question?
No.
Okay. So let's see this one. Plus 5 minus plus 8 plus minus 12 minus plus 15 plus 2. Now, this is plus 5, which is still the same thing as 5, right?
Mm-hmm.
This negative times positive here. What do you have?
Negative times positive. You have negative.
Negative 8, right? This positive times
You have negative times positive is negative. So it's 5 minus
minus 8.
8
Then this place,
minus
okay?
minus 12
All right.
minus 15
Okay.
plus 2
Okay. Plus 2. Thank you. So now,
minus 15
come in. So now,
plus
plus 2. Yes, Abby. Hello. Chidere, can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? I can't hear you, but if you can drop message on the chat, if you can hear me. Oh. Can you hear me? I think you need to join the call again. Just exit it and join again. Okay, you can hear me fine. All right. So what you do here is this is positive, this is positive. So you group all the positive one side, all the negative one side. So this will be 5 plus 2 minus 8 minus 12 minus 15. Okay. Now, anytime you have negative, maybe 3, negative 2, and their sign are the same, what you do is you take the sign, just write down the sign, since the sign is the same. Then you add 2 of them. Okay. You just add 2 of them. So that would be 3 plus 2, that is 5. This is the answer. The same thing happens with positive. When you have 4 plus 4, okay, you typically just write the sign, then you add the 2 values, which you have 8. I guess in it. This is interpreted as I am owing 3 naira and I'm owing another person 2 naira. So what's going on here? In total, that means I am still owing, right? And how much am I owing? How much I'm owing, the negative sign is for the owing. The amount I'm owing is actually the summation or the addition of all the money that I am what I am owing. Okay, there I have it as this. So the same thing happens here. I want you to sum everything that is here. Yeah, this is 5 plus 2, which is 7, positive 7. This will be minus 8 plus 12 plus 15. That will be minus 12 and what? 8. I already know that my answer will be negative, so I'll write it negative because they have the same sign. So I'll add everything. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. I carry 1 above, then this becomes 35. I'll say 7 minus 35. Now, like I've always told you, or when we did addition, I said that whenever a smaller number is subtracting a bigger number, right? Most times you will say that 7 cannot subtract 35 because 7 is smaller than 35. Whenever this happens, just know that this will be a negative sign. Anytime a smaller number is subtracting a bigger sign, it will be a negative sign. Then what you do is you reverse it. Just write a negative side, then you reverse. You now say 35 minus 7. Okay? You now do 35 minus 7. And that will give you 5 cannot subtract 7 in column method. We borrow here. It become 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay? Then here is remaining 2. So this becomes 28. So the answer is negative 28. Okay? So the question now arises is, how is this even possible that a smaller number can subtract a bigger number? Yes, it's very possible. Remember that this is plus 7 and this is minus 35. So it's possible that I have 7 naira that I want to pay for food I want to eat, and at the same time I'll borrow money either from me buying the food on credit, right? And they're depositing the 7 naira and later be owing them what? 28 naira. So in actual sense, you can actually buy something even when you don't have money, but that means you'll be owing the person. Okay? Any question? Hello? Hello? Chidire, can you hear me? I can barely hear you. I think you need to. You, okay. Were you following what I was doing?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any question? Are you copying this down? Are you jotting this down? Hello?